Kaki 3892 presents Killer of the Firebase Studio, GLM 4.5 Full Stack Mode, Developer and the Birth of GLM 4.5. Meet Z.ai, formerly Zipu AI, a Beijing-based frontier AI lab born from Tsinghua University. In July 2025, they shocked the world by releasing GLM 4.5, an open-weight, hybrid reasoning large language model that blurs lines between LLMs and autonomous agents. When was it unveiled? Officially launched on the 28th of July 2025, GLM 4.5 immediately went public with weights under an open source license, Apache MIT equivalent, and its developer API available worldwide. Analytics Vidya. What powers this giant? Parameters: approximately 355B total, 32B active per step. Variant: GLM 4.5 Air at 106B total, 12B active, designed for lightning fast inference. Context window: up to 128,000 tokens, enabling epic multi-turn reasoning across long documents or slide decks. Dual thinking modes: non-thinking for rapid Q&A, thinking for code, math, multi-step tasks. Features that challenge Firebase Studio: full stack generation from prompt. GLM 4.5 can scaffold front-end, Next.js, back-end, Express, Fast API, DB schema, even deployment scripts via agentic commands. Tool-aware function calling, including self-hosted plugin wrapping. No lock-in. Open weights lets you run the stack on local GPU, private cloud, or deploy with agents like Roo Code or Claude Code. Unlimited control, modify code, fine-tune models, integrate into your pipeline, no terms of service needed. The Firebase Showdown. Firebase Studio, launched in May 2024 by Google, is a cloud-based IDE powered by Gemini AI, built into a browser-like VS Code experience within the Firebase ecosystem. Front-end, back-end, hosting, and deployment baked into one agentic workspace. Firebase Studio excels at generating starter apps with embedded databases, live preview, and one-click publish via Firebase hosting and Firestore. GLM 4.5 level generation, in contrast, starts from prompt to code rather than IDE, but potentially gives more flexibility and performance. Benchmarks and battle stats. Agentic tasks. GLM 4.5 tops Storybench with 60.4, 79.7% scores, matches Claude 4 Sonnet and outpaces Claude 4 Opus. Coding SWE Edgebench, verified 64.2%, placing third globally behind only OpenAI. Anthropic giants. Pricing: reportedly tildes 0.8 yen per million input tokens and 2 yen per million output tokens, far cheaper than DeepSeek or Gemini. Damn so good at functions, and I want to get this running with a 128 Kelvin context window. Competitors in the ring: DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek V3, Hangzhou based, benchmark leader, AI monolith in cost effectiveness, but GLM 4.5 now claims to undercut them. Qwen 3, Kimi-K, two previous Chinese model challengers, now bested by GLM 4.5-inch reasoning plus multi-agent scorecards. Open source edge versus Google lock-in. GLM 4.5's open licensing means no vendor lock, customize inference, run offline, fine-tune, audit, and integrate anywhere. Firebase Studio is proprietary, tied to Google Cloud infrastructure, Firestore, Auth, hosting. You can't export the brain of Gemini, you export apps you generate. Why GLM 4.5 might just be the Firebase Studio killer? For code-first devs, it reduces prompt to full stack code time massively with fewer templates, more creativity. For privacy-first or sovereign stack builders, it frees you from cloud dependency and adds 128 Kelvin context for large enterprise docs or multi-step reasoning. For bootstrap indie teams, low token cost plus free weights lets you build AI agents without vendor barriers. If GitHub is your IDE and Linux, your playground GLM 4.5 is your path to bypass the Firebase GUI, build from the bottom up, and deploy anywhere. Final verdict: GLM 4.5 is not just an open-weight LLM, it's an agentic full-stack code engine packed inside a prompt. Firebase Studio is an AI, IDE, slick, integrated but closed. Is GLM 4.5 the Firebase Studio killer? Not yet certified by Google lawyers, but it's definitely a fire starter under the legacy of cloud-only GUI stacks. Check out the repo, play with the weights, generate an app prompt in your VS Code terminal, and sail into the future of self-hosted full-stack AI. Let me know which app prompt you want me to try next. Kaki3892 signing off, where open source reigns loudest.